Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small components. 1. Remove the back cover. Start by turning your PS5 controller upside down. Locate the small screws on the back. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Be sure to place them in a small container to prevent losing them. 2. Open the controller. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry apart the two halves of the controller. Start from one corner and work your way around to avoid damaging the casing. 3. Disconnect the battery. After opening the controller, you'll see the battery connection. Disconnect the battery by gently lifting it from the socket. This step is crucial to avoid any electrical shorts during the repair. 4. Access the joystick module. Next, locate the joystick module. It's typically held in place with additional screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. 5. Remove the joystick. Once the screws are out, gently lift the joystick module from its slot. If you encounter any resistance, check for any remaining screws. 6. Clean the internal components. Before installing the new joystick, it's a good idea to clean the inside of the controller. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dust or debris. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to clean it yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation and pickup and delivery at your home. 7. Install the new joystick. Now, take your new joystick and align it with the designated slot. Carefully press it down until it clicks into place. 8. Secure the joystick. Replace the screws that hold the joystick module in place. Make sure they're tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. 9. Reconnect the battery. Next, reconnect the battery by placing it back into its socket. Ensure it's firmly connected to avoid any power issues. 10. Reassemble the controller. Align the two halves of the controller and gently press them together. Make sure everything fits snugly before you start replacing the screws. 11. Replace the back cover screws. Finally, use your Phillips screwdriver to replace the screws on the back of the controller. Again, ensure you've secured them properly without over-tightening. 12. Test the joystick. Once everything is reassembled, power on your PS5 and test the joystick. Make sure it responds correctly and there's no drift. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair for any additional help you may need. With these steps, you'll have a fully functional PS5 controller and can get back to gaming in no time. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.